Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to finish a 2-year project. I started it and I never finished it whatsoever. I don't know why, I just got busy and I just had family life and starting my own business and getting things done on that. But today is gonna be the day that I finish polishing the car that I painted. I'll turn around and show you. So here it is, my 98 Cobra. It was actually my husband's car back when he was 18. And unfortunate events happened, and this is the only vehicle that he had. And he was driving out on the highway, hit a patch of ice, and crashed it. So it sat, he bought it back from insurance. Then his dad bought it from him. His dad fixed it up, took it to a paint shop. Didn't really do a fantastic job matching the paint. The whole front end was redone. The frame had to be straightened out a little bit. New wheels, tires, all that stuff. But as our wedding gift, he gave the car back to us. And he knew how much I loved the car and how much I really wanted it. So a couple years ago, 2 to be exact, I decided to repaint the car. And we all know that red is a really expensive color. This is a tri-coat, but I decided not to do the tri-coat because it's just too much time, too expensive. And I did it in the garage. We taped everything off, moved everything out, and needless to say, it was still red inside the garage. But I would say I did a half decent job, not too terribly bad. I did go to school to do painting, got certified in that, and I finally got to paint a car. It took 20 years, but hey, it's done. It's got a few issues here and there from my paint job. The deck lid's a little stripy. I had some drips right there, some runs of clear coat. My biggest flaw here was that right there. Oh, I was so upset. I ran the base and then didn't fix it, didn't even think about it. I didn't have the lighting that I have now. All that lighting up there on the wall, the big bright sun that I've got up there. But other than that, I'm pretty happy. I did wet sand it and I did polish it out a little bit, but I never completely finished it. So I'm gonna compound it. I'm gonna polish it, and I'm gonna lay down a ceramic coat on it. And yeah, I think it will turn out pretty nice. Let me check out the inside really quick. Pretty clean. Need to finish cleaning it, maybe get some WeatherTechs in here. I did do an initial clean after all the sanding and all that other stuff, but it turned out pretty well. Not terribly upset with it. But I'm a perfectionist and I can't help it. So other than that, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna probably start on the roof. Don't mind, there's fish eyes. And I just got done cleaning it. Just did a quick clean just to get all the dirt and stuff off of it. But yeah, so we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna start on the hood, go from there. It is day number 2 on working on my car. Got the compounding and polishing done, but now I'm gonna do a third step, and that is a ultra fine polish, which I use the Rupes Ultra Fine with their compound, or polish, I should say. So we did a little spot right in this area, and to be honest, I can't tell a difference, but I think one little extra step should do it well. And then on to the ceramic coat. There's a few little odds and ends here, like in this little area here, it's still dull, and I gotta compound and polish that little area on both sides. But I'd say my dull spots are pretty well out, and you can't really see my imperfections. When you stand far away, it looks fine. When you get up close, yeah, you can see it a little bit more, but hopefully nobody notices it and I can be happy with it. So, and then also for these cowls, the cowl, the mirrors, the rubber, all that stuff, I didn't tape it all off because I'm gonna be using this stuff right here. It's a trim restorer, and you can use it literally on anything. So we're gonna try that and see if it works. Hopefully it does. Maybe bring back some life to the cowl. We are gonna have to buy a new one because it is cracked. Unfortunately, taking it apart, it cracked. And we need to get some trim for the top of the window here and up here. On the other side, it's ripped a little bit more, but we planned on redoing the windows anyways, getting those done, a few other things. And then, still haven't made up my mind, but I might clean the inside, carpet clean, do all that stuff. We'll see. But I'm gonna get to it, and I'll show you after I'm done. Well, there it is, all done. Polished, ultra fine polished, and ceramic coat. I would say that looks freaking fantastic. I still don't think the ultra fine did anything, but I mean, you can see individual lights and it looks pretty darn good. The ceramic coat made that red a lot deeper. It just looks so, so good. I'm very, very happy with it. Very pleased, to say the least. Pretty happy with it. It looks great. All of it just turned out fantastic. Still have the trim to do. I'm gonna do that probably later on tonight or tomorrow, depending. We'll see what happens. But for now, we're gonna take it out into the sun and we'll see how it looks out there. Today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.